Hello there. It's nice seeing you again. It's time to unravel the principles of design. Now let's look into contrast. Contrast in design is like magic that make things pop. It's all about differences. Light and dark, big and small, rough and smooth, you name it. Think of it as the spotlight in a performance, guiding your eyes to what truly matters. Just like a superhero needs a bold costume, the most important stuff in your design needs the most contrast. Imagine a painting where everything is super bright or super dark. It can be a bit too much, right? So we carefully pick where to put the most contrast to avoid chaos. Now, contrast isn't just about colors, it's a team of opposites, like red and green, thick and thin lines, or horizontal and vertical. Playing with contrast is like highlighting the coolest parts of your design. Ever notice how the Apple logo stands out? That's like the magic of dark versus light contrast. Contrast is like having a secret weapon to grab attention. And guess what? It's not just about looking good. Contrast is buddies with readability. Big versus small, thick versus thin, etc. These differences make your design easy on the eyes. It's like making sure your message is crystal clear. But hold up, there's more. Contrast has a best friend named white space. It's the empty space that gives your design room to breathe, like pauses in music. White space organizes things and makes the important stuff shine. It's the secret sauce for a clean and stylish look. So, when you see a design that makes you go, wow, chances are contrast is the unsung hero. I hope you found the content helpful and inspiring. Feel free to check out my other videos related to design. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design insights. Don't forget to share with your friends and fellow designers. Hasta la vista, cheero!